How to know your Gmail account password. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can figure out our Gmail account's password. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to know your Gmail password, first of all, you can't really know your Gmail password. But fortunately, if you have saved the password in your browser, right? So for example, if you have saved the password on your browser, then what you can actually do is you can just go ahead and then go to your browser settings and go to your saved passwords option to be able to find all the passwords. Then you'll find the passwords you have saved for your Google account. But if you haven't, then the only option that we have is to actually reset the password. So we will enter our email address associated with it, click on the next option. Then what we can do is, if you don't remember your current password, and you can select the option that says forgot password, or simply select try another way, and then after that you'll be able to reset your password. For example, you can say enter your password or try another way, and you'll be able to reset it. But other than that, you cannot view your current password unless luckily enough you've happened to save your password to your browser, and you can check them from your password manager depending upon what device or browser you're using. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.